Welcome to Industrial Instrumentation Triple D tutorials, and in today's video we are going to discuss the difference between sensor, transducer and transmitter. Sometime if you are appear in any interview, then this is the simple question which is generally asked. But through this video you will know what is the sensor, what is the transducer, what is the transmitter. So let us start. First thing, what is sensor? Sensor detect a physical parameters. So it may be the thermocouple. A physical parameters are flow, level, temperatures, and pressure. So these are the physical parameters, and there are so many physical parameter like density. So whenever the device which detect the physical parameter, it is called the sensor. And the one example of sensor is thermocouple. Now the second point is transducer. So convert one form of energy into another. In a transducer, it is said that the one form of energy into another energy. Here also the example of the thermocouple, it is converting heat energy into the voltage. So this is the transducer. A transmitter, what transmitter does, it condition the signal and send it to the control system. Means it transmit the signal to the control system. So now temperature transmitter sending 420 milliampere. So this is the transmitter. Now, if in a quick example we can say the sensor detect, transducer convert, and transmitter sends. So these are the three sensor, transducer and transmitter easily explained. Now in a summary, sensor senses, transducer convert, and transmitter communicates. So this is the simple terminology which we generally use in industrial instrumentation. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end.